So you've learned to code, you've built a few projects, but every job posting says 2+ years of experience required. Welcome to the junior dev paradox. Can't get a job without experience, can't get experience without a job. Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to break that loop and actually land your first junior developer role, step by step. You don't need a fancy CS degree. What you need is proof that you can solve problems, build 3 solid projects, ones that show real-world thinking. For example, a budget tracker that actually works, a weather app using a public API, or a simple clone, like Twitter Lite. Upload them to GitHub and make sure your README looks professional. Recruiters do check that. Now here's what 90% of beginners skip: personal branding. Start a simple portfolio site with your name, skills, and links to your projects. Add a short About Me section. Make it human, not robotic. Something like, "Hey, I love building small tools that make life easier." Post your learning journey on LinkedIn or X, Twitter. You'd be surprised how many devs get their first job because they were visible. Stop sending 200 generic applications. Instead, apply smartly. Write short, custom messages. Something like, "Hey, name, I've been exploring your company's tech stack. Loved the product. Here's a project I built using similar tools." This 15-second effort can multiply your chances. When you finally get an interview, don't act like a coding god. Show curiosity, ask questions, admit when you don't know something, and then explain how you'd find the answer. Companies love juniors who can learn fast, not ones who pretend to know it all. Remember, your first dev job isn't about being perfect, it's about showing potential. So keep learning, keep building, and stay visible. Your first junior dev role might be closer than you think.